Going on. Hi all, this is Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So, in our last video, we have discussed about the piston pump. Basically, we have discussed about the design things, and then other construction about the partially we have discussed about the actual piston pump. Okay, right now will be discussed about remaining point about the actual piston pump. So the pistons are arranged parallel to each other around the cylinder block. In the design we can see. So the piston driving into the number of bores in the cylinder, and likewise you can see in the design number of bores is available, and then left side we have a suction stroke in the direction, and the blue side we have a exhaust stroke. Okay, so we have a three kind of bores on right side, and then three kinds of bores on left side. Okay, so it has some creating the pressure in the red line for the suction stroke, and then it has some delivering the water on the blue side for the delivery stroke. Okay, so then in the screen you can see in the axial piston it has some 45-degree for the both sides. Okay, so the piston will move to the forward to reverse position, so it called as a reciprocating motion for the entire section. Okay, so already said about we have six pistons in the same rings. Okay, same outer rings. Okay, so next we can move to the bent axis pump. Bent axis pump, it's a pistons are at an angle to drive the shaft and thrust plate. Okay, so the piston black shaft is connected to the drive shaft by the initial joints. So the drive shaft is the thrust plate, piston blacks that piston and the piston blocks are all resolved. The connecting rods are attached to the thrust plate and then resolved with it. Unlike the thrust plate pump where the piston rods slides fast, stationary or the thrust plate. Okay. It is used for high pressure or the heavy duty applications. So in the screen you can see it'll be having a two kind of gears to connecting the our piston to the our cylinder blocks. Okay, but in the axial plate we will be having a single shaft plate. It has connected with all cylinder bores and then pistons. Okay, but here you'll be here making the connection by using the pistons between the two gears. The two gears will be will getting the meshing at the one end, and then by using the rotation force on the shaft on the right side, I'll be creating some rotation force. By using that, we'll be transferring the force to the our top gear. The top gear will be getting the rotation. By using that, it will be getting the meshing to the another gear. So the force be transferred to the other gears too. So you'll be getting two rotations. So by using the rotations, will be connected in between the will be having the connection by using the pistons, and the pistons is connected to the our cylinder bores. Okay, cylinder bores. Okay, when the gears are rotating, the pistons will move to the forward to reverse. So will be converting the rotation motion to the reciprocating motion. Okay, so by using the we'll be getting some pressure, vacuum pressure, and then we'll be getting the delivering the water to the outlet. Okay, by using the vacuum pressure we can get the water from the inlet, and then by using the another rotation we can deliver the water to the outlet. Okay, this process will be continuously available. Okay, so radial pistons pumps also available. Before going that, we can discuss with the about the piston axial piston pumps. Okay, so axial piston pumps it has only one in the single axis. We can convert the all inlet outlet forces by using the three red and blue lines for the suction stroke and then exhaust stroke. Okay, likewise in the bent axle we'll be having having the first three for the suction stroke, and then another three for the exhaust stroke. But here we making the contact by using the gears, two kind of gears. It's a spur gear only. Okay, by using the meshing, we'll be getting the rotation. By using rotation force, we'll get converting reciprocating rotary motion to a reciprocating motion. By using the reciprocating motion, we can deliver the water to one phase to another phase. Like first three, we can get the inlet phase. Other three, we get the outlet phase. Okay, by using that, it was working. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we can see our next video. Thank you.
Right, that actually